Hello students, today we are going to revise chapter 1 rational numbers. Our first question is regroup the numbers and simplify. Regrouping means to make the combination of the rational number in such a way that taking the LCM of the denominators is easy. So the LCM of 7 and 14 is easy, and the LCM of 13 and 26 is easy. So first we will make the group of 4 upon 7 and minus 5 upon 14. And the second group will be minus 5 upon 13 and 3 upon 26. The LCM of 7 and 14 will be 14. 14 divided by 7 is 2 and 2 4 is 8. Plus into minus gives you minus 14 divided by 14 is 1 and 1 into 5 is 5. Here the LCM of 13 and 26 will be 26. 26 divided by 13 is 2 and 2 into minus 5 is minus 10. 26 divided by 26 is 1 and 1 3 is 3. 8 minus 5 gives you 3 and minus 10 plus 3 gives you minus 7. Now we'll take the LCM of 26 and 14. The LCM of 14 and 26 will be 182. Okay, 182 divided by 14 gives you 13 and 13 3 is 39. Plus into minus is minus. Now 182 divided by 26 is 7 and 7 7 is 49. Now 39 minus 49 gives you minus 10. Now 10 and 182 is to be divided by 2. 2 5 is 10, 2 9 is 18 and 2 1 is 2. So the final answer is minus 5 upon 91. Okay. Now our next question is, what is the additive inverse of minus 9 upon 11? Additive inverse means removing the negative sign or taking the negative sign, or we can see that we can also say that we have to multiply minus 1 with it. Okay, so on multiplying minus 1 with minus 9 upon 11 we get positive 9 upon 11. So we can directly write it positive 9 upon 11, and on multiplying 8 upon 25 with minus 1 we get minus 8 upon 25. Okay, so this is the simply the additive inverse. Our next question is find the multiplicative inverse of minus 1. Multiplicative inverse of minus 1 is minus 1 itself, because the reciprocal of minus 1 is minus 1. Okay, so there is no need to remove the sign. Always remember minus 9 is never removed in the case of multiplicative inverse. Okay, that is done in the case of additive inverse only. And here the minus 1 upon 5 is written, so its reciprocal will be minus 5 upon 1 or simply minus 5. Now we have to find the multiplicative inverse of this. This is a product form question. So 2 8 is 16 and 3 11 is 33. So its multiplicative inverse is 33 upon 16. 33 upon 16. Now the question is, write the multiplicative inverse of 1 and 1 upon 3 in decimal form. Multiplicative inverse means reciprocal. Okay, so first we find what number is this. 3 ones are 3 plus 1 4. Okay, so it's multiplicative inverse. Is 3 upon 4, and we have to write it in decimal form. So for doing it in decimal form, we can simply multiply it with 25. So 25 3 is 75 and 25 4 is 100. So it is 75 upon 100. Okay, and it is simply 0.75. So this is the 0.75 is the decimal representation of the reciprocal of 4 upon 3, that is 3 upon 4. So if we write 3 upon 4 or we write 0.75, both are same. Okay, now our next question is, show minus 1 upon 5, 2 upon 5 and 4 upon 5 on a number line. Okay, this is a line. The negative numbers will be shown on the left of 0 and the positive will be shown on the right of 0. Okay, we can see that minus 1 upon 5, 2 upon 5 and 4 upon 5, the three are the proper rational numbers. So as I told you earlier that negative rational number that are proper comes between 0 and minus 1, and the positive proper rational number comes between 0 and plus 1. Okay, there is no need to write a plus sign here, but conventionally we are writing here. Here the denominators are 5, so we will mark here 4 cuts only, equal cuts, 1 2 3 4. Similarly here 1 2 3 4. Okay, so this is minus 1 upon 5. Minus 1 upon 5, minus 2 upon 5, minus 3 upon 5, minus 4 upon 5 and minus 5 upon 5 means minus 1. And similarly here this is a plus 1 upon 5, this is plus 2 upon 5. Plus 2 upon 5, 3 upon 5, 4 upon 5 and 5 upon 5 means plus 1 here. Okay, so this is the decimal representation of minus 1 upon 5 and 2 upon 5, and similarly this is the representation of positive 4 upon 5. Okay, our next question is, find the area of a square whose each side is 21 upon 15 centimeters. So as you know, the formula for area of square is side into side. Or we can say that its side is square. So 21 upon 15 into 21 upon 15. 21, the square of 21 is 441, as we have studied in our chapter is square. And the square of 15 is 225, and centimeter into centimeter gives you centimeter square. So this is the revision of chapter 1, and thank you.